fellas. We can be that mistake. Let's do this. Hey, y'all.
Hey, guys.
We're Embrace the Suck 21.
Yes, we are.
I'm Spencer.
And I'm Daniel.
Coming at you with British drivers swearing.
So I'm assuming this is like road rage.
Yeah, it has to be. And can clearly is British because the driver is on the wrong side of the road. At least if you ask us Americans.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Like, I follow on Facebook a couple of pages that do, like, driver fails. Yeah, so I don't know if we're going to title this as a try not to laugh or not.
Let's see what it has in store.
Yeah.
And we'll adjust accordingly.
Exactly. You'll see by the title of this video.
Yeah.
Let's go. Bruh!
Stupid fucking wanker.
Shitting Peugeot. You could have got past that fucking trailer.
Oh, wow.
Fucking prick.
Fucking dickhead. You're an absolute fucking dickhead.
Already, this is demonetized. Well, ain't no way we're making money off this one.
No.
You knobhead. You're a fucking dick. Think you're fucking clever, do ya?
Uh-oh.
Fucking idiot.
Oh!
You fucking twat!
Oh, you fucking wanker. Fucking
That's a truck going.
wanker.
No way!
Fucking
No way!
absolute cunt. Fucking hell.
Oh no. You gotta be kidding me.
What are you doing?
Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Fucking hell, that scared the shit out of me. Oh my god.
Oh no. Oh! Oh no.
Fucking prick.
Oh no. Oh no.
Fucking hell, man. Fuck me, what a fucking cunt.
Oh!
Fucking hell!
Road and four blokes passed him and...
Oh!
Oh, shit it out.
What the hell are you doing? You absolute idiot!
Oh my god.
Oh, here we go. Ah!
Are you stupid? You idiot!
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Dude, this thing's giving me anxiety. Are British drivers this bad?
Oh my god. Well, you know, I'm thinking it's because majority of people that live in the city don't really drive their cars.
Right. And there's more people in the cities than there are in the country.
Yeah.
In
So
the UK, at least.
So what happens is when city drivers go out,
I don't know what the hell they're
they
doing.
don't know what the hell they're doing.
Ugh.
And that happens here too. Like the cities are just
Yeah.
a mess.
Damn Virginians.
Oh man. Oh my god.
Oh, come on.
Fuck's sake!
Good music.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey, you stupid tosser! Fucking indicate!
Oh no.
Fuck!
Oh my god.
Fucking hell!
What is the guy doing?
What?
No, 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 no.
You fucking dumb motherfucker!
Oh no! Oh no!
Fucking hell. Jesus wept.
Now, so the UK said no, number one on BBC Radio 1.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Don't use that phrase.
You fucking know. That's the second time you've done that, you fucking dickhead.
My dad,
Fucking hell.
£5,000 on a nice one. The remaining 45 to buy Madonna to adopt me. Right?
Nathan Caton
Will this guy go?
for a new series.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 No!
Oh my god.
Woo!
No way.
Oh no! Ah! Oh my god!
Dude, that's.
Fucking hell.
What is he? What are they doing?
That way, you silly cow!
I will say that Aldi is awesome around these parts of the United States because we
Yeah.
have Aldi in the United
Yeah, we
States.
do.
I'm just trying to take my mind off the fact that these drivers are fucking insane.
Hell yeah, man. Dude. Oh my god.
God damn it! Oh
Oh shit, man.
my god! Okay, I can make it through the video.
Jesus.
I can. Okay, are you okay? Are you
Yeah,
good?
man. I
Okay.
just-
Okay.
So I guess stupid drivers just don't live here. They're everywhere.
They're
Got it.
everywhere.
I didn't know they had Virginians too.
I guess so.
Man.
You fucking idiots! Fuck's sake!
Oh no.
Fucking cunt. Dickhead.
Fuck's sake! Unfucking believable. You dopey cunts.
Fuck my ass.
Shit in hell.
Wow.
Jesus Christ.
Look at this.
Twat. Oh, you cock!
Me, I do weekends, so I can
Oh!
as every other member of staff.
Ah!
Why was he braking?
Fuck's sake.
So it was a case of, you fucker.
What the fuck you doing?
Fucking idiot.
Oh my god.
Fucking doing, you fucking knobhead. Fucking knobhead.
No!
The fuck are you doing, you fucking dick? The fuck are you doing? The fuck are you doing? You're running across me, you dickhead, without even watching what you're doing. It's a fucking look.
Spent the journey up. Whoa! Some fucking dickhead. Oh, some right dickhead.
Fucking idiot! What's this fucking cunt doing? Wanker!
Fucking eyes, you prick. Fucking twat.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Fucking wanky bastard! Fucking pull it over! Pull it over! Come on then, pull it over!
Oh my
Fucking chopper.
god, dude.
Pull it fucking over! Pull it over!
Oh, here we go.
Oh my god.
It's like
Oh
you're not
my
even paying
God.
attention.
Oh my god.
No.
Fucking hell. You fucking spastic, what a fucking dick. You cunt.
And then she pulls in front of me and slows down. And she's a way off there now, just as well, because I was just about...
See what I mean? Stupid bitch. Absolutely stupid fucking bitch.
Shit.
Fucking idiot! Prick!
You fucking ass! Wanker! Go on! You...
Why are there so many dash cams?
I don't know. Do they come standard on British vehicles?
I don't know, because there's a lot. I don't think I've seen one that wasn't a cop car.
Right. I don't know.
Camera!
The fuck are you doing? You fucking knob!
Oh! Oh no.
No.
You fucking twat!
Oh my god.
Fucking knobhead!
Fucking hell, fire!
Oh my god.
Jesus!
Fucking what are you doing, you dick? Fucking twat, what are you doing? Fucking dickhead. You fucking stupid! You fucking stupid wanker!
Oh no.
Fucking hell, you can look where you're going.
Oh my god.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Really?
Wow.
The Information Commissioner, Christopher Graham, sees the allegation.
What are you doing, you fucking stupid? Fucking. Oh, you fucking knob!
About that liar, but I am shedding hot tears for the death of the poor Sudanese gentleman killed in the Channel Tunnel. I won't act.
You know what I mean? What are you doing, you stupid fucking bitch?
Dude, this is crazy.
Fucking hell, I know it nearly took her out and the fucking kids.
Oh my god.
You fucking idiot!
And I'd love to
Jesus!
like Arden. I don't have
Fucking hell!
Oh my god.
If we were seconds later than Andrew.
My god, dude.
Fucking idiot!
Look at that. Oh my god, dude.
Ah!
You fucking idiot! Jesus Christ! What a fucking idiot! What a fucking bitch!
Crazy. Oh my.
Gee!
Fucking idiot! You fucking stupid idiot! Oh, you twat! Fucking hell!
Oh my god.
What the fuck? You fucking idiot!
That wasn't that bad. That wasn't that bad.
Thank you. You fucking wanker. What? Fuck off.
Yes, he is a dickhead. Absolute dickhead.
Fucking idiot. Fucking look where you're going, you twat.
You fucking bellend.
What the fuck? Fucking wanker.
Oh my
Crazy.
god. That's insane, man.
Dude, I don't get it, man.
Like, it makes me feel a little better as an American that it's not just us that have the bad drivers.
Oh
I mean,
god,
we invented the automobile and the idea of using it as a mode of transportation in everyday life. Like, literally, our government ID is a driver's license.
man.
But
Jesus.
I guess in countries where driving is not as big a part of the culture, you get people like this that are just idiots.
Dude, I don't get it. I don't get it. There's some people that need to be like background checked before they buy a car.
More than that.
Yeah, man. They're like, do you have any? Oh my god. Yeah. No. Well, this happens here too.
Yeah.
People just don't, especially with cell phones. Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh my god.
We should be at least allowed to hit one of them per
One.
year.
Just one.
Just out of the sheer shit of it, because we can.
Yeah, just to teach them a lesson. Because that's not acceptable.
Yeah, insurance companies need to allow for one bump.
Yeah, one a year.
Just a offensive bump.
Yes.
Not a, oh, I almost missed you. No, just, hey, you're on the phone. Boop. Tap them.
Yep, pretty much.
Yeah.
So I'm giving 2 ratings here. To the person who made the compilation, 2 thumbs up.
Yep.
But to British drivers, 1 thumb down. Just because I don't know all of you.
Where is it?
Right there. Yeah. I would give 2, but I don't know if this is just a snapshot of British drivers or just all of y'all in general.
Yeah, and here's a question. Why so many dashboard cameras?
Yeah, like we have a few there in the U.S., but they're not they're not
usually
standard.
Yeah, they're usually like delivery drivers.
Right.
That have dashboards.
Right.
And law enforcement.
And school buses.
Yeah. Oh, you guys have dashboards?
Yeah, we have dash cams.
Well, you're supposed to, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
Just in case something happens.
Yeah. No, that's smart. Like, especially government vehicles. I get that. But, like, cars. Like, I don't...
Like, come on.
I don't understand. That's... Huh. Anyway.
I don't know. Man, well, let us know if you want to see more British bad driver compilations.
Man, we should find if there's any American bad driver compilations.
Oh, there's a crap ton of those.
Yeah.
Let us know.
Go right up the road and get some footage.
Yeah, we can make our own.
Yeah, we can make our own footage.
Yeah. Let us know if you want us to do that. Or at least have some on the channel.
Yeah.
Till then, thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, hitting the bell, and sharing with your friends.
Definitely share with your friends, guys.
Till next time, wash your hands, scrub your toes, wipe your ass, blow your nose.
And embrace the suck.
See y'all next time.
Later.